Hello, welcome. BECE 2025. We have a question number 3. We have to find the gradient of the line which passes through the point 2, 3, negative 4, and what? 5. So by gradient, we can see that if I have the point 2, 3, this is my x1, y1. If I have the point negative 4, 5, this is going to be my x2, y2. So how do we find gradient? A gradient of a point is just the change in the y-axis. That's y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2 divided by x2 minus what? x1. So let me just put here m so that I can pick it up. So from here, this is my y2, y1. So right away, gradient will be equals to y2, which is now 5, minus y1, which will be 3. x2 will be negative 4 minus the x1, which will be what? 2. What do we do in there? If you subtract here, you get a positive 2. This is more or less like negative 4 plus negative 2. That's negative 6. A common factor of 2 dividing all will give you 1 on top, negative 3 down. Either negative 1 over 3 or negative 1 over 3. And then what a negative is, it still give you the same concept. So we are going in for the option what? B. I guess. Clear? Thanks. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.